Hello everyone, so this will be a review and unboxing of the Schumacher DSR131. This is their ProSeries battery charger. I purchased this for around $120 off of Amazon.com during the Amazon Prime Day. This is their ProSeries, and this battery charger is the wheeled version, and this is rated at 250 amps for their engine start mode on a 12 volt system. On a 6 volt system, it's rated at 125 amps in their engine start mode. This also has a 50 boost amp mode, and this also maintains and charges your batteries using a trickle, a 2 amp mode or 6 amp. So I'll do an unboxing and I'll assemble the charger and I'll do a review. So this comes with a complete instruction manual. So it comes with the hardware, the wheels, so that will have to be assembled. So sadly, this will now just be an unboxing video. I'm not going to bother to put it together. I'll shine the light on there so you guys can see. It did arrive damaged. I contacted Amazon. They're going to send out a replacement. So this will just be an unboxing video. If you guys do order this battery charger, be on the lookout for any damage when it arrives. And if you guys are interested in seeing an updated video, once I get the replacement, I'll do a new review on it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.